My name is Jimmy Marufo. I'm the service leader at the Paso shop. Let me give you a tour. When you come into the Paso terminal, we got a fuel island over here straight ahead. When you come in with the loaded trailer or empty trailer, you park to the north side. If you have issues with your truck or your trailer, you swing around the back. When you have issues with your truck, you're going to come down to the pre-qual lane, which is located in bay number 2. You come over here to the service desk, talk to our service planner or one of 2 lead techs that we have, and give them as much information as you can with the issue with your truck. And if you can, do a log while you're out there on the road. That way you won't forget to jot down anything while you're here, and give as much detailed information as possible to help us diagnose the truck faster. Okay, on this side, with your radiator repairs, the wheel seals, brakes, air conditioning, emissions, HVAC. On this bay right here, we can do PMs as well. We do PMs over here. Any other type of work, tires, tire work, and stuff like that. So this lane over here is a pre-qual lane and the quick lane. Being that we're a small shop, we have to do it outdoors, and we diagnose anything and everything there. Like they say, it starts and stops at the quick lane. Okay, so moving on to our parts room. This is where y'all drivers can come in and pick up some spare light bulbs, reflectors, fire extinguishers, windshield wipers. You can talk to our parts manager here, and he can get you whatever you need or point you in the right direction. Okay, we got here our tire bay right here where we got our pre-mounts, the tire repairs, gets everything ready and rolling for the morning. Keeps busy all day. As you can see, we have the pre-mounts for the drives. We have the trailer pre-mounts, new and used, recaps. So on this side is our trailer bay. Each technician here has got basically their own PC that they can work on. We do doors, we do slider boxes, we do some welding. You can see right here, Louis is working on this trailer doing the tires. Okay, the tag system here in our yard. So when you run into a pink tag, there's an issue with the trailer. It could be either a tire issue, a mud flap, it needs a PM, or something wrong with the oiler hubs. For example, on this one it says leaking left side oiler hub. So we need to get that into the shop, get it done. We have our blue tags, our loaded trailers, and they've been inspected and ready to hit the road. We have our green tags, those are empty and have been inspected and ready to go. One other thing that is very important, if there's an issue with the trailer, please go into the shop, report it, tell somebody something. That way the next driver can just pick it up and go and not have to wait and turn it into the shop. It gets frustrating to the drivers. Thank you for coming on the tour with us. Hope to see you soon, and drive safe.